Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. I'm currently out at Parrots Bay Conservation Area. I'm not winter camping, I'm just here to tell you what's going on. I want to tell you what the Frontenac challenge is, and I would like to tell you why this video is going to be a little bit different than the others. When I was transferring all those videos over, I accidentally deleted some. By some, I mean 20 gigabytes. But I made it work, I think. Hopefully you enjoy this episode. We will never put out an episode that we don't think is entertaining. We are sometimes easily amused. Yes, we are at the same campsite as the last video. It won't happen again. The only reason that happened is because it was a beautiful weekend and the other spots that were ideal were all taken. Oh, what'd you do, Haley?
I dumped a bunch of onions.
Haley's cooking up a storm here. We're having a sausage skillet jambalaya. So what's the Frontenac Challenge? The Frontenac Challenge is a challenge where you have to camp out in the park for one night a month for 12 consecutive months. So far we've done January, February, March. You've only seen February and you're about to see March. We didn't film January because we didn't know we were going to be doing these vlogs. But just to get you guys 12 videos, 12 months of camping, we're going to do the 13th month. And who knows, maybe we'll keep going.
Dinner is served. Throwing on some water for boiling for dishes. And then this is our dinner.
Black beans sausage jambalaya.
We're not really sure what it is, but it's hearty and it's good. And it's warm. So
Very warm.
Supper time.
Just trying to get out of the wind. Who needs to go back for seconds when you just bring the whole pot with you?
Here are our lights for our tent. I almost said here are our tent for our lights. There's Ben trying to get into the tent.
Just get my wellies off.
When he says wellies, he means rubber boots.
I just wanted to add to our topic of lights. We bought these at the dollar store and they said they were color changing lights, and they just turn on and off.
They're not changing.
They're alternating colors. Haley, we should welcome our guests to the tent. Thank you for coming.
Well, welcome to our humble abode.
So I got sick of the wind. We've been dealing with it all day. And after a while, you just feel like a couple of jokers and you just want to get rid of them, you know? Yeah, we had an awesome meal though. It was super delicious. Thank you, Haley.
You're welcome.
And we're gonna play some cards. What game are we gonna play?
I know war. I know spit. I know go fish.
You go fish. I want to go fish. Okay, well, we're gonna play some Crazy 8 Countdown. You'll see us in the morning. Hey, Haley.
Hmm?
Do you want to get up now? I am so cozy. Apart from the fact that I have to pee. We had a bit of snow last night. breakfast of champions. That's what this is. Eggs, bacon, and of course jalapeno. So we had some awesome camping neighbors this whole trip. Paul and Rob, shout out to you guys. You were awesome. They let us use their shovel. They gave us firewood. Something else. Well, they offered for us to use their fire when we first got here. We saw it was windy and we'd have trouble getting the fire going, so they said we could use their fire to boil water. They're just very generous.
Very nice people.
Yeah. And as you can see, we got visited by this little red squirrel with a skimpy tail. And I don't know, red squirrels, when they're young, do they just not have a bushy tail? Or did this guy like lose some of his tail? Let us know what you think in the comments below. Is he young, or was he attacked and lost some of his tail? Anyways, we hope you enjoyed the video. We did our best to put something together for you, and we had a great time out there. So stay tuned. In April, we're going out again, and every month after that for the next year or so. So please like, comment, subscribe, hit that little bell icon. Show us your love. We could use it after an episode like that.